know what it all means. But since I survived,
Kala ko isa lang.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the morning was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while. And time is up. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Nikki, welcome to the
Lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore. Cause you already know what you mean to me. And all love's the only one worth fighting for. Ayoko na bumili. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I will love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'm gonna hold taas pala, just for a while. And if the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. Right next to you. Next to you. Right next to you. It's a birthday mo? Birthday mo ba? Si Eso. Sabi niya, gift ko. Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ikaw mag-gift sa akin. Utang.
If the party was over and our time on earth was through.
Happy birthday. Di pa nga kami kota eh. Ang hirap na ngayong month eh. And time is now.
If the world was ending,
I'd wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. I wanna be next to you. Parang ang dami na nabago. Oo nga eh, totoo. Iba-iba na naman yung anuhan ng mga kota ngayon. Pati iba sa agency mo.
Jocelyn Carper, welcome.
Beauty and the Beast, alam mo. Beauty and the Beast. Guys, dali na, parubis tayo. Dali guys, pa-1,000 na, please. Malapit na magkatapusan. Layo pa natin. Till us all this time.
So yun mo.
All this time. Hindi ata. True as it can be.
Okay, Sandra.
Barely even friends. Then somebody that's unexpectedly. Oo nga. Total 700 lang naman sa'yo.
Say the name.
Di ko alam, ilan na ba ako? Di pa. 800 pa.
Every dust the same.
I same. Ever a sunrise. Ever as before. Ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Thank you, Esel. Ingat. Happy birthday.
Ash, welcome.
Enjoy your day today. And take care always. More blessings, Esel. Happy birthday, Eso. Baka naman may pa-birthday bash ka dyan. Kahit piso lang, oh. Ever as before, ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Ano? 1 hour pa. Till the soul decide. To the soul decide. Bittersweet and strange, finding you can change, learning you were wrong. Certain, ay ko pala yan. There's the sun,
Rising in the evening.
till the soul decide.
Song is
As beauty and the beast. Bye-bye. Till the soul understand. Song is beauty and the beast. Ibang version, ano?
Sana makakunta tayo this month. Bukat din tayo kakunta.
Till the soul understand.
Beauty and hanggang ngayon.
Hindi. Kaso hindi ko alam yung verse. Guys, come on!
Thank you,
Ang
Lucky
oras pa.
So. Thank you, Babili.
Pabili! Come on!
Karaoke TV.
Kaya natin to, guys! Pabili! Tama, baby. Thank you, Pabili!
Bawat sandali
Hi, mahal!
ika'y naaalala.
Hindi ka na umuwi dito, Jacqueline.
Tangi kong dasal sa may kapal makapitan. Thank you, Babili.
Bakit di ka maalis sa isip ko? Nuhulaan ko lang.
Tama.
Ikaw ang lagi laman ng puso ko. Kahit pilitin ko, damdamin mabago. Ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Ganun ba? Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. rin ang natatanging pangarap ko. Ikaw lamang hanggang ngayon.
Ikaw lang. Ikaw lang hinihintay ko ng kay taga.
Hindi ko alam yung verse. Ikaw kaya ng buhay at pag-asa. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Haba naman. Iba hanggang ngayon. Ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Ikaw pa rin ang natatanging pangarap ko. Ikaw lamang hanggang ngayon.
Dapat natin pagbigyan natin
Hindi ko alam.
mga puso'y muli buksan.
Hindi ko alam talaga.
At ibibigay lahat.
Ikaw.
Ang pag-ibig na tapat
Sa'yo. Sa'yo. Sagi, thank you. Ikaw pa rin ang iniibig. Hindi ko alam. Ikaw pa rin ang natatanging pangarap ko.
Di ko na kaya.
Hindi ko alam eh. Hanggang ngayon.
Kahit hindi na yung duet, kahit sabay nilang tayo.
Because of you, alam mo yan.
Because of you.
Ay, nawala. Gusto ko yun. Because of you. Pang pang wala. Anyone else there? Yung cute. Ay, nakakatakot naman mawala kasi yan. Ikaw na muna dyan sa first verse. Nangangalay likod ko, guys. Wait lang.
I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not trust my heart so much for me. I will not pray till you fell so far. I've learned the hard way to never let go the fun. Because of you, I never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, learn to play the same side so don't get hurt. Because of you, find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid.
Larin akong boses. I'll lose my way, and it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot
The
cry,
singer?
cause I know that's weakness in your eyes. I'm forced to fake a smile I love every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break
I heard you cry every night you sleep.
I was so young, you should have known. Meant to lean on me.
Never to
You just so young. Yeah, sabay tayo. And now I'm crying in the middle of the night for the same thing. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the same side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I try my hardest just to forget everything. Because of you, I don't know how to let anyone else in. Because of you, I'm ashamed of my life because it's empty. Because of you, I am afraid. Because of you, because of you.
Pabili, thank you.
Ganda rin to.
Okay. Thank you, Ate Janet.
Thank you, Bubbly. Life's like this. Ikaw ulit doon. Life's like this. Go. Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see I like you the way you are. When we're driving in your car, hey, Lani, and you're talking to me one-on-one, but you become somebody else, when everyone else watching you back like you can relax. You try to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me why have you don't make things so complicated? I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you grow and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promise me I'm never gonna find you fake it. No. You come over unannounced. Ikaw naman mag-acting like it's something else. Well, you aren't very sad. You see, you're making me laugh out when you strike your pose. Take all your pretty clothes. You know you're not fooling anyone when you become somebody else. When everyone else, you're watching your back like you can relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me why you have to go and make things so complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else, gets me frustrated. And life's like this, you and you fall and you blow and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promise pala yun. No, no, no.
Uy, thank you, MJB. Thank you.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Love more.
Dahlia Mar, welcome. Back to December. Bring me to life.
Wake me up.
Pinapatay natin mga lalamunan na yan.
So fearless. You're so confident.
Ako na dyan. How can you see to my eyes like open doors?
Kalma mo muna.
Leading you down into my heart, where I become so numb without a soul. The spirit's sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and leave it back home. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside.
Save me.
Call my name and save me from the dark.
Wake up.
Give my blood to
Not to
run
run.
before I come and
Save me.
save from the nothing I've become.
When I'm without, you can just lead me. Breathe into me. Paano ang tono niyan?
Make me
Will break me. Night.
wake me up.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Bring me to life. Bring me to life. Frozen inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the love of the dead. Ikaw na dyan.
Alam mo yan. 1,000 years in. Got to open my eyes to everything.
Oh.
Hey, without voice, without soul, don't let me die here. There must be something more. Bring me to life. To life. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Beat my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Bring me
Yung napagod ka ng kumanta.
life. Sabi nga nila, bring me to life. Hey,
Ay, asan ba yan?
nakagawa ka ng mic. Ay, Beto. Beta yan, Betay.
Parang magtatanggal muna kami ng lalamunan. Napagod na siyang kumanta. Uy guys, baka naman! Patay naman tayo! Come on! Betlog! Ikaw muna.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling fine on things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes.
And though the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found stop and I won't cry. Then I sing along, then I sing along.
I got all I need when I get through.
Oh my God,
I look around me and see sweet light. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're a flashlight. You're getting me through the night.
Can't stop my heart when you're shining in my eyes. Can't lie, it's a sweet night. Stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. Cause you're my flashlight.
You're my flashlight.
Ako naman. You're my flashlight. Oh.
I see the shadows long beneath the mountain top. I'm not afraid when the rain won't stop. Cause you light the way. You light the way. You light the way. Hey.
I got all I need when I got you and I look around me and see the sweet light. Stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night.
Heart when it's shining in my eyes, I can't lie. It's a sweet light. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight.
Sana all
Getting me through the night.
Yeah.
You're my flashlight. Light. You're my flashlight.
Light.
You're my
Oh,
flashlight.
you're my flash. Oh.
I got all I need when I get you and Cause you're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. Oh.
You're my flashlight, light. You're my flashlight, light. Yeah.
You're my flashlight. Thank you very much.
Parang feeling ko i-content mo yan sa kabila. Feeling ko may mga magdadrop talaga sa'yo. Pag ganyan ka kumanta, tapos magre-request sila. ay, maganda yan.
Sino ka niya?
Even just for a day,
Bigyan natin naman pinang chorus.
I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go. Ikaw naman.
Drink beer with the guy.
Ay, nagkakatono. Medyo nagkakatono, guys.
And chase up the girl. I keep with I wanted.
Ano?
And I never get confronted for it. Because they take it from me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Yeah.
Kala mo kung taga Malacanang.
How it feels to love a girl? I swear I'd be a better man. Yeah, that's true. I'd listen to her. Yes, I'd listen to her. Because I know how it hurts. I know destroyed.
Vulnerable.
If she's a boy.
I would turn off my phone.
Yes, she will turn up in her phone.
Till everyone is broken, so they think that I was sleeping alone.
Hello, everybody.
I'd put myself first.
She will put herself first.
And make the rules as I go.
That's her rule.
'Cause I know that she'd be
I'm
faithful,
faithful, of course.
waiting for me to come home.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
To come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand.
What it is.
Oh, how it feels to love a girl.
course it's
I
good.
swear I'd be a better man.
Look at better man, a better girl.
I'd listen to her.
I'm listening always.
'Cause I know how it hurts.
Yeah, I know that hurts. It hurts me a lot.
When you lose the one you wanted,
I want you.
'cause it's taking you for granted.
Yeah, you take me for
And
granted,
everything
huh?
you had got destroyed. It's a little too late for you
not yet
to
too
come back. Say it's just a mistake.
Oh, you got a
Think
mistake?
I
Oh my
forgive you
God.
like that. If you thought I would wait for you,
Don't wait for
you
me.
thought of
I'm
wrong.
But you're just a boy. You don't understand.
Yeah, you don't understand. Oh, 'cause it feels a love a girl
Someday.
someday. You wish you were a better man. Yeah. You don't listen to her.
I listen to you. I listen to you.
You don't care how it hurts.
I care. I don't hurt you.
Until you lose the taking you for granted, and everything you had got
Who
destroyed.
destroyed you? But you're just.
a boy.
I'm not a boy. You.
Tomboy.
Yeah.
Ito.
Ano ba yun? Pinahihirapan ako ng minuto.
Ikaw pa nahihirap. The audacity, ah.
So, taas niya na. So, okay, welcome. Nahihirapan yung boses ko, ah.
Siya pa nahihirapan.
Sino una?
Ikaw na, magaling ka.
Wala lang ako.
Sige, ako na. Mataas yung susunod dyan. Ako na muna dito.
Hindi pa sa akin mataas.
Remember those walls are built, but baby they're tumbling down. And did it even put up a fight? Did it even make a sound? I found a way to let you in, but you never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking is the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. Halo. 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 Halo.
Hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want. Thinking I'm addicted to your life. I swore I'll never fall again. But this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can't freaking to pull me back to the ground again. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had to break in. The risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you down.
Out!
Everywhere I'm looking at, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I needed more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. Halo. I can see your halo. Halo. I can feel your halo. Halo. I can see your halo. Halo. I can feel your halo. Halo. I can see your halo. Halo. I can feel your halo. Halo. I can see your halo. Woohoo.
Haba.
Everywhere. Yes. Just
I'm
looking
surrounded
now.
by your face. Baby, I can see your
Yeah, I can
halo.
see your halo.
You know you're my saving grace.
I'm your saving
You're
grace.
everything I need and more.
Yes, you need me more.
It's written all over your
What's in your
face.
taste?
Baby, I can feel your halo.
How can you feel
It
it?
won't fade away.
Oh, really? Halo?
Halo.
I can feel your halo. Yes, halo. I can see your halo. Halo. I can see your halo. I can feel your halo. I can see your halo. Halo. Woohoo!
We PK.
Oh, guys. Okay, last PK na niyan. Last PK. Last PK, guys. You know that? I know that. You want? I'm the first? I'm the first. Okay. You shout it out. But I can't hear a word you say. You're talking out loud. That's saying much. Yes. You criticize,
Thank you, Sandra.
but all your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up.
Oo, nakakain yan. Madami na nakain.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to do.
Proof!
Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Tuloy mo na daw yan.
Huh?
Tuloy mo na daw.
Cut me down. But it's you who have harder to fall. Ghost town and haunted love.
Love.
Love. Raise your voice. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof. Nothing to lose.
Nahihipa ng hangin kanina sa Manila. eh.
Fire away. Ricochet. You take your aim. Fire away. Fire away. You shoot me down, but I was fall. umiyak.
Hindi ako umiyak, nangangatay lang ko.
Oo nga, pabili eh. Kaya mo na yun. Okay, ka na.
Somehow. Ikaw na. Nahiyak ka pa, patapos na. Somehow.
I'm so going from love.
You shoot me down.
You shoot me down.
But I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down. But I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down.
me
But I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down. But I won't fall.
I am titanium. Yeah.
Nonchalant. Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Tapos na. Lasing ka ba?
Hindi. Nalalasing ako pag nakikita kita eh. Nahihilo ako sa'yo eh.
Yun.
Ayun, nasusuka ako. Ay, wala pala.
Nasusuka ka kasi. Sobrang hyper mo. Magtubig ka nga. Oh.
Hindi!
Magtubig ka.
Hindi ako nasusuka.
Mahingal ka. Sige na, uminom ka lang. Kanina ka pa, nagwawala.
Pa ba akong hinihingal? Kasi bigla nahulog yung kanin. Kasi
Yani, mamaya manonood tayo movie, tulog ka na.
hindi ah.
Sige Pag ako nanalo,
Ano?
libre mo ako sa Samgyup
Saan?
bukas.
Saan pag nanalo?
Pagka nakatulog ka ng maaga habang nanonood.
Ay, hindi pipigilan. Sabi ko mahal yun eh. Hello! Welcome guys. So guys, just 25 minutes na lang. Baka magluno kami po time. Bakala ko na ball. Capricorn, thank you.
Ano ba yung mga tulang kanta?
Na?
Ano yung mga tula na kanta? Tula kanta.
Wala. Kahit ano.
Ano ba yung mga tula na kanta? Meron yan.
Kaubaya. O kaya, ano? Kaubaya. Kaubaya. Si Moira. Dali, clear mo na yan.
Teka! Ay, puro pambata.
Thank you, Capricorn.
Golden.
Parang gusto yun, no?
Kinakatay mo yan, Golden. Screen record niya to. Taasan mo ha, kahit nagtutula ka lang.
I was a ghost. I was alone. Luwajin. Si Kusuke.
Napupuno pa.
Given the throne, I didn't know how to do it. I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives.
Lives.
Find my own place. Got a problem, child.
I
Look at you.
I
But
live to
now
lives.
that's how I'm getting paid. Gonna say on stage, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining.
Kakatula ko, mali ka na
I'm
magbasa.
gonna be. We're dreaming hard. We came so far. Now I believe we're going up, up. It's our moment. You know, together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up with our voices. Yung mga golden sa munon. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm gonna be. Oh, our
Gonna be.
time. No fear, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. But these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like a girl they all see. No more hiding. I'll be shining like I'm born to be. Because we are hunters, voices strong, and I know, I believe. We're going up, up, it's our moment. You know, together we're glowing. Gonna be golden.
Sobrang
Oh,
inspiring, no, guys?
Up with our voices. You're like golden Simon. Gonna be golden.
Nun kasi.
Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining. Like I'm born to be. Oh, our time. No fear, no lies. That's who we're born to be. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be. Born to be glowing. Born to summer, you know that. It's our time, no fears. No lies. That's who we're born to be. Yes, that's all. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for listening in my spoken poetry. I'm so glad you're here. Bakit?
Naiiyak ako. Sino to si Simon? So, nun kasi yun. Simon.
Si Amnon pala yun.
Simon.
Si Amnon. Alak Simon.
May kakabagin ako.
Ako si Amnon. Ay, si Amnon.
Ano, sabi sa comment, seryoso pa eh. Anong Simon? Nice to meet you. Ito, soda pa. Sige ka pa tayo.
Kayo pinahihirapan.
Sali!
Hindi naman tayo kumukuha.
Na-entertain kami.
Na-entertain pa ko tayo. Hindi kami.
Hey. Ayan na. Soda pop dali.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Rilla. Don't
Don't
want to need you.
Yeah, I need to build me up.
Sige, kaya mo.
마시고 마셔와봐도 송이 차리 않아. Got a feeling that, oh yeah, you could be everything that I need. That tastes so sweet. Every sip makes me want more, yeah. Looking like snackers together, like, take a big bite. Wanna right? Yeah. 누구를 건강 원하는 love shop 으로도 when you're in my arms, I hold you so tight. Can't let go, no. No, not tonight. 지금 당장 날 보았지가 않아. Because I need you to need me. I'm empty, you fit me so refreshing. My little soda pop, you're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, you're my little soda pop. Call me down, you're so hot. Pull me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Hey. My little soda pop. My little soda pop. Oh, make me wanna pick the top of mug and hit the bus little bird of box. Some dollar is very hot. Yes, I'm sleeping one is breaking now. What's that?
Alam mo, kaboses niya si Ice Cream Yummy. Ice Cream Good.
Soge, 도리와라는 너요.
Hindi, basahin mo.
No, 해고. I waited so long for a taste of soda. So, the wait is over, baby. Come and fill me up, just can't get it up. Oh, crowding up every drop. My little soda pop. Yo, my soda pop, gotta drink every drop. Yeah, that's the soda pop. Idol rap
I'm
battle naman po
amazed.
next.
You had so many talent.
O sige, mag-rap tayo. Yung mga patugtog ka dyan ng mag-rap tayo.
Hindi umaandar utak ko.
Yan, anong pagtatalunan natin? Sa'yo yung... Mabait na jowa, loyal na jowa.
Pangit naman nun. Parehas lang yun eh.
Magbigay topic, guys. Pag-rap namin. Ay lalaban kami. Hindi iloy, no? Ano gusto niya?
Mabangong utot, mabahong utot.
Ano mabahong utot? Kanina yung mabahong utot.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi.
Naisip ko. Maliit, matangkad. Matangkad ako. Maliit ka. Parang ano, ang hirap naman. Di umaandar yung utak ko. Ikaw yung active ngayon eh.
Hindi, papaganahin natin yan.
Ano na nga, matangkad sa maliit. Mauna ka.
Bring the beer in. Ako nga pala, si Bobby. Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo, ako'y maliit pero nakakapwing. Sa iyo, pwedeng pumasok kahit maliit. Okay lang yan, mamaya nasa tono na yan.
Sasabihin mo pag ako na, nang makabelo ko.
Let's go!
Ako si Cassie, ang jowa mo. Sabi mo maliit ka, matangkad ako. Sabi ko hindi gumagana utak ko. 2 rhymes lang, hindi mo magawa to. Anong gusto mo? Ipaglaban mo na maliit ang ulo mo. Paano kang pumasok sa akin? Matangkad ako pero maliit ang butas ko.
Bakit napunta sa maliit ang ulo? Di naman maliit ang ulo ko, pero ako ay maliit na sabi mo. Maliit ako? Maliit ako. Hindi ko alam ano pang ire-rebat. Basta ako, maliit ako, alam ko.
Alam, pinagkaiba. Ang sinasabi mo
Ay,
maliit ka nga. Oo na, maliit ka na. Matangkad ako kahit saan, kaya kong pumato kahit mataas. Hindi ko kailangan tumalon kasi isang hakbang naaabot ko yun. Ikaw.
Matangkad ka nga. Matangkad ka nga. Matangkad ka nga, pero di mo kaya pumasok sa butas na maliit. Sabi mo nga, butas mo'y maliit. Putate. Wala, ano ba? Parang ang timang. Parang ang timang. Lahat babagain. Lang naman ang harap babagain. Bing. Bing.
Tapos na, iba naman.
Ang pangit kasi ng maliit. Ayoko mo.
O paglaban natin si Ate Joy tsaka si Jensky.
Kanina si Jensky.
Sa'yo na! Akin daw si Ate Joy Umauna ka.
Si Jensky, baka mo ang paglaban ko. Maliit yon pero may dating. Imaginin mo, kayang buhatin kasi napakaliit ng taong yun. Kayang isakay sa maleta kahit ipasok mo pa, maging 2 pa, okay lang yon sa liit niyang yon. Kayang kaya ko dahil sa saan.
Maisip ka, Ate Joy.
Your turn. Your turn.
My turn! Ang hirap ng beat. Hindi ko magets ipaglaban si Ate Joy. Hindi mo matake. Si Ate Joy malaki. Hindi nga kasya sa maliit na maleta. Kasi alam mo ba, hindi na kailangan ng salbabida dahil bil-bil niya. Salbabida mo na. Hindi mo kaya si Ate Joy. All in one, kaya kang buhatin kahit saan.
Pag si Jensky ang tumira sa kanya, isang tusok, butas ang tiyan niya. Malaki ang tiyan ni Ate Joy, samantalang si Jensky maliit lamang. Kaya bumutas ng tiyan. Malaking tiyan versus maliit na tao. Si Jensky, yung taong yon, isang bit-bit ko
ako'y nalilito. Basta alam ko, isang higa ni Jency, pisa ang ulo nyo kasi. Kasi, tanungin kita, ilang kilo ba si Ate Joy?
Ilang kilo ba
isang higa
siya?
lang. Isang higa lang, di na kayo makakahinga.
Ganon. Isang higa lang di na makakahinga. Pero bakit? Alam mo ba, pag si Jenski ang gumalaw, kayang pasukin ang butas ng tenga, maging ang butas ng puwet ni Ate Joy. Kaya, papasok mananakit sa loob ng puwet, bubutasin ni Jenski at hahalukayin ng puwet. Papasok si Jenski.
Yung words mo,
Sa
magaban ka.
Paglabas ni Jenski may kasama. Pag pumasok si Jenski sa butas ng ilong ni Ate Joy, mailalabas niya ang palangot na matagal nang napubulok sa ilong. Si Jenski kahit maliit, kayang magbitbit ng mga mabibigat na ekobag. Basta may laman na maimportanteng bagay na kaya niyang dalhin at iuwi sa bahay
Matatapos
nila.
na. Matatapos na.
Nag-enjoy ako.
Thank you, Ate Irene.
Sino ba? Sino naman?
Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba?
Here are Wilson Lakes Sydney, right beside you. For breakfast, try the strawberry overnight oats.
Sino? Sino pa?
Kahit hindi tao. Ayoko na. Malapit na tayo mag-end.
Kaya nga 9 minutes
Pagod
na lang
na.
guys. Wala pa mag-drop sa amin. Nakapagod kaya mag-rap battle. Welcome everybody. Welcome to our live. Kailangan namin ng movies para makapotan na. Hey. Rubies. Kailangan namin ng movies. Rubies kayo dyan.
Sabi nyo hindi kayo magdadrop ng Ruby. Sabi nyo magdadrop kayo. Sabi nyo magsusupport kayo. Rapid po.
Rubies ang kailangan namin dito sa Talaap. Kaya naman, kayo dito na nanonood ka.
Parang awa nyo. Nag-drop na kayo ng Rubies dito. Parang awa nyo. Hindi kayo naaawa sa amin. Parang awa nyo.
Rubies ang
Mag-drop
pinaglalaban.
na kayo. Naiinis ako sa inyo.
Kahit pa paano may drop para makakota sa isang buwan. Patapasaway! Tatasabay! Ang mamatay! Rockstar. Rubies lang, Rubies lang, Rubies lang dahil meron na lang kami 7 minutes dito magbibigay-bigay.
1 minute na lang ako.
Hindi, ito tapusin natin dito.
Kape yaya. Kape yaya. Kape yaya. Kape. 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 Pi talaga eh.
Huwag ka ni Mami. Mami kasi.
Pili ka.
Tita.
Pi. Dito. Super naman sa lambing ano. Super naman sa lambing ikaw. Super naman sa lambing ikaw. Pwede kaya natin ulo mo. Saan ba yun? Sanrio. Parang Sanrio. No, shh. Ayaw niya sa'yo eh. Ayaw kopiyaya. I love my kopiyaya. I love my kopiyaya. 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 I love my kopiyaya. Adoy. Adoy, adoy. Adoy, adoy, adoy. Adoy, adoy, adoy. Kopiyaya. 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 Kopiyaya.
Guys, last 5 minutes and 30
Mahal, kuha ka na lang dun sa may taas ng yung cruise. Dito sa may sasakyan. May mga tali dun. Sa may sabitan ng ng rosaryo. Tayo ka! Tayo! Kala niya si Cooper. MJ, thank you!
Pipi.
Kopiyaya, 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 dungis. Kopiyaya, 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 kopiyaya.
Guys, last 4 minutes and 53 seconds, guys. Last draft po.
Kopiyaya,
Last draft, kaya pa ba?
kopiyaya, kopiyaya, kopiyaya.
Uy!
Lakas mo, boy.
E.
Ay, ito na.
Pinatanggal.
Yung mata, nahihila.
Last 3 minutes, guys. Pogi naman ni P. 10. Guys, last 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Yes, yes, yo. Yes, yes, yo. Yes, yes, yo. Gusto ko na ng Paris. Pero no. Pero, ayaw. Hindi ko alam kung gusto ko o hindi. Tara. Hindi ko alam kung gusto ko o hindi.
Maga pa naman ngayon yung konti.
Parang mas uhaw ako. Later. Pag manonood.
Guys, last 1 minute and 55 seconds, guys. Last drop.
Gusto ko lang chips. anong chips. Kahit anong chips. 7-Eleven.
Wala mo. Kung isip ko, sige, kasama natin.
Guys, bawi tayo bukas mag-set up kami bukas.
Yes.
Bawi tayo tomorrow. Kailangan talaga natin to, guys. Do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya. And I need ya. Yes, Jensky, thank you po.
Bukas na magla-live
Do you
kami.
love me? Guys, nasa yellow basket ko tong short.
Yes.
Gang, gang!
Ganda.
Gang, 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 gang! 100 pesos lang. Nasa yellow basket
Last
ko.
45 seconds, guys. Thank
Hindi
you,
ko pa siya
everyone.
gagawa ng video, pero kung gusto nyo nang bumili, nasa yellow basket.
Guys, thank you so much. See you again tomorrow. And ayun nga, huwag kang kalimutan. Magpapakuta tayo bukas. Sana ay tulong-tulong kahit pa paano. Yan. Good night, everybody. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa live namin ngayon kahit na ganto-ganto lang tayo. Hey, come on. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good night, everyone. Bye, bye, bye. Good night, everyone.
Ice cream
Bye,
yummy.
bye, bye. Bye,
Ice
bye,
cream good.
everyone. Bye, guys. Thank
Bye-bye, guys! Good night!